Hi guys, it's Mila here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Neewer ring light that I actually have right in front of me right now. So if you do like this light that I have going on here and you like the light of this short intro, then keep on watching. So I live in Finland and it's currently winter time here, and that means that the sun rises at like 8 a.m. and goes down at like 4 p.m. and the daylight we get is actually going to be shorter the more towards December we go. So yeah. So that being said, I don't get a lot of daylight, especially since I work a full-time job at an office which doesn't really have windows. But anyway, I do have to film my videos when I get back home from work, and often I film my videos after work. That means that if I get home and it's dark, I don't really have a good lighting anywhere. The videos are really dark and I don't want that. I want good videos with good like brightness and that. So I decided to treat myself with a ring light. So I was actually going to get a really cheap ring light, but then I saw that this Neewer ring light that I have right here was actually 50% off on Amazon. So I decided to get this one because the normal price was like 80 euros and now it was 40 euros, and I don't think 40 euros is too bad for a ring light, to be honest. So I just decided to get the Neewer ring light, and also I have heard great things about this ring light, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to get the Neewer ring light. So I actually did have a few requirements for a ring light because I have been looking for one for a while now, because I know winters are gonna be dark in Finland, and I know I needed to get, or I knew before that I needed to get a ring light to be able to film any videos of any sort. So I did have a few requirements. The first one was that I really wanted my ring light to be able to hold my Canon mirrorless camera. I have the Canon EOS M50, and a lot of the cheaper ring lights actually aren't able to hold a camera, only a phone, because they don't have the needed like holder, the like hot shoe holder for it. But this one is able to hold my camera and it's actually really stable. And I also like that I can like use the stand without the ring light if I ever needed to have only like a camera stand, so that's a great plus for this one. Secondly, since I am on a budget, I didn't want the ring light to cost over 60 euros, and this was great because this ring light only costed 40 euros with the discount, so that's a big plus. And third, I did want the ring light to be able to stand quite tall because I don't want it to just sit on a table, and this ring light goes all the way up to the roof almost, and you can also get it really small so it doesn't take up a lot of space when it's being stored. And lastly, I did want to be able to adjust the ring light's brightness and temperature for the ring light, so you can like choose if you want like cold or warm light, and you can do that with the Neewer ring light. So the new ring light seems to be ticking off all my boxes, but let's get into the video and let's get into unboxing and my first impressions of this ring light. Because today I'm going to unbox my new ring light from Neewer. So yeah, sorry if the image is a bit dark around here. We're gonna fix that today. So here I have the Neewer ring light. Let's see what we got here. Okay, foam. Okay, so here we have the ring itself. Okay, so here we have the stand, I think. Or let's see here. Okay. installation instructions. That's good. Okay, so here we have the plastic for the light. So this is going to go around. This is the white one. I think this is the like cold color. And then we also have an orange color. So yeah, I'm going to leave this like that. Okay. Then we have, okay, this is the charger. Ooh, this is nice and long. Yeah, I like that. This is really long. This is like the first part and then the second part. So it's like twice the length of my arms. So that's nice. I'm gonna have any issues with the length of the cable at least. I think this is the phone holder thingy that you can also put there. So this is the piece that I need for my camera. So I can put my camera on top of this one. And then there's also a separate piece for the phone that you can put your phone on the this one. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get this working and let's see what we got. Ooh, you can get this really tall, which I really wanted to as well. That's nice. Ooh, that's really tall. That's great. Okay. I guess I'm just going to do it like that. And then, okay, so they call this the filter. So let's put that on first. Okay, but how? Oh, okay, so you just... Okay. Okay, there's that. That's a nice size. Okay, so now I got the hot shoe stand right here. So I got my camera on, but I need to get this like on here. How? Should I just... How do I do this? I don't know. No. Just like this? Really? Okay. Oh! Ah. Ooh! So I can like put this like this if I want to. Yeah. Let's tighten that up. Okay. Well, that's quite sturdy, I think. I guess. Then I just need to like I need to tighten that. And now we got ourselves a ring light. That's nice, isn't it? But yeah, that's the ring light. And here you can see, here it's where you put the camera, and you can like change the light or the filter to this orange warm filter. And then, but I think I'm going to use mostly this white one. But it's a possibility to have a warmer light if I would like to have that. This is the lowest it goes. So if I'm like sitting on my knees right now, and this is the lowest it goes, I think. But then you can go like up to the roof. So that's quite nice. Very versatile, I would say. I think I'm going to like this a lot. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, Jesus, that's very bright. How do I... It's so nice that you can dim it. And this is... So this is the like lightest it goes, and then it goes up like, ooh, like that. Okay, let's see if I can get like a... What would be a good light for some video? So this is off. I'm having the camera right in front of the ring light, like kind of where it would stand if it would stand on the ring light. So this is off. So this is the lightest it goes. It's quite white actually. Let's see if I would put it like... But this is already quite good. This is so much better than this. And this is the lightest. So that's already really good. And then it goes up like, ugh. So it goes really bright, but I think just like some small light like this would be quite nice. Yeah, you can really see the difference. I'm so glad. But this is quite good for some videos. That's way too bright. Yeah. I'm so excited. I finally have a good light for getting some videos and photos, also product photos for my like web shop on Etsy and that kind of stuff. So this will be really good for that. But yeah. So this is something I'm very excited about. So I'm going to try out the orange filter next and see how that looks like. Hey, oh, it's actually not as orange. That's not as orange as I thought it would be. And here again. This is the brightest, and let's go down. So like that. This is a bit more natural and I really like that. I think I like this more. This is a bit more natural because it's a bit warmer, but still it's not warm. It's like it's not too warm. And I thought the light would be like really orange, but it's really not. All right, well, that's that. Oh, yeah, you can see the difference. So I'm actually really pleased with this Neewer ring light. I think it's a great quality and great value for the money. I bought this for 40 euros, which is like 45 USD, and this is really great. I really enjoy it. I actually like the orange filter better than the white one, so I'm happy it came with that. I could also put the phone on here, but I'm mainly going to film with my camera, so I'm not going to do that, but you could film with your phone with this one as well. Such a great deal. I'm really happy I got this one and that it was minus 50% off. So yeah. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you would like to see a follow-up, how I've been liking this light in a few months, for example, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you like this video because I did. I'm very happy with my purchase. Oh, my hand is getting sore. And I'm also glad that this light can hold my camera, so I don't need to do that. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun filming from now on with great light. But yeah guys, that was all for me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!